What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Well, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to use ChatGPT. So what you have to do is go to chat.openai.com, make an account, and then you'll end up on this screen. So what can we do? We could do anything we want. So let's see, how to become full stack developer. Alright, so now it's giving us information on how to become a full stack developer. But let's up it up a notch, right? So you can see right here, I was searching up how to write a smart contract that splits, right? Splits the money. So let's see. Can you please write an smart contract that splits the profit 80 by 10? Nah, 20. 10 wouldn't be logical. AI probably attack me if I put 10. Boom, let's make it work. Let's see. AI is gonna take somebody's job one day. As you can see right here, we're writing a smart contract that splits the profit 80-20. This is dope. You know what I mean? AI is doing numbers. AI got video. They could write paragraphs for you. Oh yeah. Let's hold on. Watch this one. Can you write an essay on why potatoes are good for the universe? Stop playing with me. Look. See, AI, it wrote out the smart contract. I don't need no developer. What? Developer who? Oh yeah, let's go. Now AI is about to write an essay on why potatoes are good for the universe. AI is doing numbers. Now let's use your creative thoughts and hop on AI and let your thoughts just come out, and then let's see the answers of what you get. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And here we go. We have our paragraph about potatoes. All right, I'll read that later on. Y'all have a good night, all day, or whenever y'all watching this.